Okay, hey everybody. Actually back. I haven't made a YouTube video in like so long because I stopped for a second and yeah. But I did get my nails done. They're not that bad. So I have a couple slimes to show you. I made a lot of slimes. I have a lot of slimes now. Since the last time I did not have a lot at all. I had only like one. But yeah. So the first one I'm going to show you is this one right here. Just because this is right here, I just use this container for my two slimes. This one's like purple. I don't know how to explain this one. Try and get it unstuck from me. It's really sticky. If you can't see it, it's like a purple color. The next one I have is like a green color. If you can't see it, I'll stretch it out so you can actually see the color. That's what it looks like. And that one's like really sticky. Okay, so this next one I have is purple, but like really pretty. It has like bubbles on the top, and I think it's like darker on the bottom. This one has gold sparkles inside. And it's purple, so I might call this one's name is Starry Night. It's supposed to be clear, but I just made it yesterday, so it has to have some time to clear. And it matches my nail. Okay, this next one is hot pink, but I think this is the last one I'm going to be showing you for today. And it does have little unicorns inside, like 2 unicorns like this. This is a little sticky, but it's still cool. Okay, these are the 3 slimes that I showed you. I'm showing you a lot more next time. But this is it for today. And so I hope you subscribe, like, and hit that like button on your way. And then hope you guys have a wonderful day.